Hi guys! Today, we'll see how to donate on Twitch using the mobile app. It's simple once you know where to look, so let's get started. First, open the Twitch app and go to the live stream of the streamer you want to donate to. On the bottom left of the screen, tap on their username. This will open their profile. Once the profile opens, tap on the About section. This is where streamers usually share their links, including donation links if they have set them up. Look for the donation link in the About section. If the streamer has added it, just tap on the link. You'll be redirected to a browser page where you can follow the steps to complete your donation. Finally, follow all the steps in the browser to make your donation. Enter the amount and payment details as instructed. And that's it. Your donation goes directly to the streamer. So that's how you can donate to your favorite Twitch streamers on mobile. Make sure to check if they have a donation link set up before trying. Subscribe for more Twitch tips and comment below which Twitch trick you want me to show next.